In this episode, we will write some short E words. The letter E has many sounds, but the short E sound makes the sound eh, like an elephant. Today, we are going to read and write words that have the short E in them. Now, I'll give you a word and you will pause the video and write the word on your paper, dry erase board, or whatever you have available. Then you will unpause the video to check your answer. Sometimes I might ask you to change a letter, and then you'll have to pause the video and read the word. Then you'll unpause the video and check your answer. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start by writing the word bed. Check your answer. Now, change bed to fed. Check your answer. Now, change the F to an L. What word do you have now? You're right, it's lead. Now, change lead to Ned. Remember, Ned is a name. Check your answer. Make sure you have that capital N. Now, change the N to an R. What word do you have now? You're right. You have red. Now, change red to Ted. Remember, Ted is a name. Check your answer. Make sure the T is capitalized. Now change the T to a W. What word do you have now? You're right. You have wed. You were able to read and write short E words. I hope you like this word ladder, and don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store for more.